How to lower high blood pressure with lemon and mineral water instantly. 1. High blood pressure is a common problem for many people and is also known as hypertension. This is caused by many issues such as stress, too much salt in the diet, being overweight, smoking, or drinking too much alcohol. 2. The good news is that there are many natural remedies which can be used to lower high blood pressure. In today's video, we will share with you a few tips and techniques that you can use to lower high blood pressure instantly within 5 to 10 minutes. 3. If you have a blood pressure monitor, take a reading before and after today's remedy to see how well it works for you. Let's take a look at the recipe. You will need 1 lemon, 250 milliliters of mineral water, fizzy or carbonated. Method: pour the mineral water into a glass and then squeeze in the juice from the lemon. Stir well with a spoon and then drink. You should also soak the feet in a bucket of warm water for 10 minutes as you sip the lemon and mineral water. 4. This remedy has been used traditionally for many years to lower blood pressure immediately. Soaking the feet speeds up the process and you will notice your blood pressure lowering within 2 to 5 minutes. 5. If you have a blood pressure monitor, take another reading after 10 minutes and you will notice a rapid reduction. 6. The magnesium and calcium within the mineral water produces a blood pressure reducing effect on the body. The lemon juice also provides additional minerals and potassium which helps this process. 7. The lemon juice also lowers triglyceride levels in the blood and works as a mild diuretic. This flushes your body of toxins. 8. If you suffer with high blood pressure often, you should reduce your intake of salty foods and foods high in sugar such as jams, sauces and sugary drinks. 9. You can also lower your blood pressure by simply breathing deeply for 5 minutes, focusing on only the breath and nothing else. This technique has been used for thousands of years to naturally reduce stress and ease the nervous system. 10. To learn more about blood pressure remedies, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.